How to fix NatWest Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name NatWest and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Then scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed on a device. Find the app NatWest. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're going to get the pop-up. You have to click on the option of delete to confirm it. With that, the app will be deleted from your device. Once you delete the app, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app NatWest Banking. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix NatWest Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.